We have some electronic cleaning wipes, screen protector. Let's get this cleaned up and screen protector installed. Alright, so first off we're gonna get this this screen cleaned, at least attempt to. Get a couple cleaning cloths out. Let's see if we can get all these fingerprints off. Historically, I don't take the factory plastic off until I get an aftermarket screen protector. With the JK, I ended up having to replace the radio a couple times, so I would always leave the factory one on until the screen protector came in. Didn't have that option on the JL because the salesman removed it, and on top of that, I had a hard time finding one that would fit it. Grab a microfiber towel. I'm going to use a clean microfiber towel just to try to dry it off. And it actually looks like it cleaned it fairly well. These towelettes came from Dollar Tree, so it was $1. So did this phone mount. This phone mount's going to be a temporary solution until I figure out what I'm going to do. Most likely I'll go back with 67 design. I've looked at a couple different options and just that seems like the best one. Seems like what's gonna work the best for me and what I like. I really would like to get the track system. I just don't know how I feel about losing access to that little pocket. As you can see, I keep my sunglasses there and also my badge. So, all right, so let's see what comes with. It's a tempered glass screen protector. Inside, don't know why you get a suction cup, but you do. Some insulation tools and little notes here on how to install it. So there's the tempered glass screen protector, and it looks like it's going to fit perfectly on there. So that's good. Looks like I will have to center it some, kind of like that. So let's see if I can get it off of here without breaking it. There we go. So let's see what the installation tools are. Dust removal stickers, which I think we're good there. We shouldn't need those. Prep pads, we shouldn't need those. Little microfiber towel, we shouldn't need it. The suction cup, it looks like that's to help line it up and to prevent it from bubbling, or at least that's what it says on the notes here. Okay, so I'm going to attempt this. So I'm gonna do another kind of dry run there. It's the way I would like it. So let's see what we can do. There goes nothing. This makes me really paranoid. Get anxiety when I have to do it for even like cell phones. I don't know why, but we're gonna see what we can do here. That looks pretty good. So what we're gonna do is start there, and then I'm going to Most of them will give you some kind of like credit card thing to push the bubbles out with, but I don't see that here, so we're gonna do that. We'll fold the instructions up. See if we can use it to press the bubbles out of it. And when all else fails, CHL license works good too. So yeah, I mean that went on pretty good, pretty easily. So we're gonna take you.
Pre-cooked food under a heat lamp. We believe cooking from scratch simply tastes better.
It worked good.
Using recipes passed through
Yeah.
for generations.
That was a good purchase.
Today and see the difference
So,
home cooking
as
can
was
make.
that,
3412 Washington
for,
Avenue, Lorenzo's.
A $1 phone mount worked pretty good. So yeah, that's just a quick install. Got it from Amazon. I'll try to link it down below, or at least put the brand. It's just an off brand, so you just got to make sure you get the one that's like 7 inches or whatever, not the larger one. From Extreme Terrain and every place else I looked, they only had the ones for the larger screens for the Rubicon. So us not cool enough to have the larger one, we needed to go knockoff, which is cool. I mean, and it was probably a lot cheaper. I don't know, who knows. I'll try to link that information down below. As always, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below.